Society, Latur, the esteemed Chief Guest, Dr. Shivraj sir, I welcome resource person, Honorable Dr. Soottawat Benjakul sir. He is a professor from Prince of Songkla University, Thailand. I welcome Dr. Shivraj sir, scientist from National Agri-Food and Biomanufacturing Institute, Mohali. Also welcome Dr. Umesh Patil sir, academic research, Prince of Songkla University, Thailand. Also welcome Dr. Mahesh Patil sir, scientist from National Chemical Laboratory, Pune. I welcome Principal Dr. Jadhav sir. Also welcome Honorable Ellen Patil sir, Vice President of Royal Education Society, Latur. I welcome OSD Dr. Masumdar sir, Dr. NABI sir, all the teachers and all the eminent researchers and all the teaching staff and my dear student. A very warm welcome to all. Today, we all have gathered here for the inaugural function of one-day national seminar on biomanufacturing of value-added products. As we know, the college aims to enhance placement and foster entrepreneurship through innovation and skill development. For this reason, college has arranged a one-day seminar on biomanufacturing of value-added products. This seminar aims to bring together researchers, academicians, and industry experts to discuss innovative approaches in bioproduct development and sustainable manufacturing and much more. So once again, I welcome all of you in this seminar, and let's begin this function by welcoming the guest. So first of all, I would like to request Principal Dr. Jadhav sir to felicitate Chairperson Honorable Dr. M.R. Patil sir by offering a bouquet. Thank you very much, sir. Now I would request Honorable Dr. M.R. Patil sir to felicitate Dr. Soottawat Benjakul sir by offering a shawl, a book and a bouquet. Dr. Benjakul sir is a professor Prince of Songkla University, Thailand. Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. N.S. sir to felicitate Dr. Shivraj sir by offering a shawl, bouquet and a book. Dr. Nile sir is a scientist at National Agri-Food and Biomanufacturing Institute from Mohali. Now I request Maknikar sir to felicitate Dr. Umesh Patil sir by offering a shawl, book and bouquet. Now I request Mr. S.C. Anname sir to felicitate Dr. Mahesh Patil sir by offering a shawl, book and bouquet. Dr. Mahesh Patil sir is a scientist from National Chemical Laboratory, Pune. Thank you, sir. Now I request Mr. Jadhav sir to felicitate Honorable Ellen Patil sir by offering a bouquet. Thank you, sir. Now I request Dr. NABI sir, please felicitate Principal Dr. Jadhav sir by offering a bouquet. Now I request Mr. Jadhav sir to felicitate OSD Dr. Masumdar sir by offering a bouquet. Mr. A.H. Bagmale sir to felicitate Dr. N.V. More sir by offering a bouquet. Thank you, sir. Now I request all the dignitaries, please occupy the chairs. Now, to walk us through objective and proceedings of this seminar, I would like to invite Dr. N.V. More sir. Please give us a brief introduction about today's program.
The face of our institute, Honorable Dr. M.R. Patil sir, President, Royal Education Society, Latur, Professor Benjakul, Director, International Center of Excellence in Seafood Science and Innovation Center, Prince of Songkla University, Hatay, Thailand, the young and ignite mind, Mr. L.M. Patil sir, Vice President, Royal Education Society, Latur, Dr. Shivraj sir, Scientist, National Agri-Food Biomanufacturing Institute, Mohali, Punjab, Honorable Dr. Mahesh Patil sir, Scientist, National Chemical Laboratory, Pune, Honorable Umesh Patil sir, Academic Researcher, Prince of Songkla University, Hatay, Thailand, Honorable Dr. B.A. Jadhav sir, Principal, COCSIT, Latur, Officer on Special Duty, Dr. T.U. Masumdar sir, COCSIT, Latur, all my colleagues, HODs of various departments, my colleagues, faculty from various colleges from different corners of Maharashtra, all students, researchers, delegates, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you all for this one-day national seminar on biomanufacturing of value-added product in COCSIT campus, Ambezogai Road, Latur, Maharashtra, India. As a convener, let me first explain how this idea ignited in our mind. One day, our President sir, Honorable Dr. M.R. Patil sir said that we should organize the gathering of researchers, and then mission started. How to gather the researcher on one platform, and we work, and for that idea Dr. Shivraj sir was nicely supported, and finally the one theme decided, and that theme is biomanufacturing of value-added products, and for that you all are here. Once again I welcome you all. First, the biomanufacturing clearly means the production or development of the products, and these products are used for the betterment of human being, and that products clearly from the biological system. And biological system may be the plants, biological system may be the animals, and biological system may be the microorganism. And many such products we are currently used in our regular life. The best known example is antibiotics. The microorganism which we cannot see, that is Penicillium chrysogenum, can produce the antibiotics, and that antibiotics save the crores of life throughout the world. That is the power of biomanufacturing. Another example I want to quote here, the rhizobium that we cannot see, the microorganism. The big plant system cannot fix the atmospheric nitrogen, though the atmospheric nitrogen is 70%, 78% in atmosphere. Cannot. But the microorganism which we cannot see, very little, have ability to fix the atmospheric nitrogen and fulfill the requirement of big plant system. That is the best two known examples. When we decided to work on this conference in a very short period of time, we received the tremendous response, and currently we got 132 registration for this national level seminar. And out of when I observed the number, I came to know that 70% candidates are from the female category, from the girls. And that is the clear-cut indications now the world is going to change. what is the outcome of this seminar? So very soon we are going to publish the souvenir, and in that souvenir we got the 34 abstract of research papers, and that is also the big things, good things. When we decided to carry out such kinds of gathering, the first questions in our mind is which are the resource person, and then the search began, and that search has been stopped with 4 names. First one is Professor Benjakul from Thailand. Second one is Dr. Shivraj Nile. Third one is Dr. Mahesh Patil, and fourth one is the Master Dr. Umesh Patil. And now all are with us, and that is another good thing. As a convener, what I expect, as a convener, I expect the students from our region, particularly from the Marathwada region, should know what kind of research, what type of research is going in National Institute. Because Dr. Shivraj Nile, Dr. Mahesh Patil is working in National Institute of our India. Professor Benjakul, Dr. Umesh Patil is working Thailand abroad. So the main aim of this conference is to bridge the gap between the researcher, the research carried out by our researcher, and what kind of research is taking place or doing at National Institute and abroad also. So for this one-day national seminar, I expect you all participants, young minds, all participants should enjoy the whole day with free mind, positive mind and fearless mind, and make your concepts very clear regarding the biomanufacturing processes, biomanufacturing development or biomanufacturing industrial development taking place in India, innovations in biomanufacturing. So the whole day is busy. First the inaugural function, followed by the keynote address by the Professor Benjakul sir, then the 3 technical sessions on the different innovations, different themes that we called it as a scientific talk, and then among you some researchers are going to present their researcher as a part of oral presentation, in between the delicious lunch, high tea, and finally the valedictory function with the distribution of certificate. Lastly, I want to quote the 2 lines. First, sight is what you see with your eyes, and vision is what you see with your mind. With this, I would like to conclude my 2 words. Thank you one and all. Once again, I welcome you.
Thank you, sir, for the brief introduction about today's program. Now it's time to unveil the souvenir. The souvenir included 32 research papers, including 4 research papers of eminent speaker. Now the souvenir of this seminar will be unveiled at the auspicious hands of our chief guest today. So I request all the honorable dignitaries on the dais, please unveil the souvenir of this seminar. Please give a big hand. Thank you, sir. Now I request all the dignitaries, please occupy the chairs. Now I would like to request to respected Principal Dr. Jadhav, sir, please address again.
Good morning to you all. Chairman of this today's national seminar, Dr. M.R. Patil sir, President of Royal Education Society, Latur, Vice President of Higher Education Society, L.M. Patil sir, guests and resource person, Dr. Benjakul, Professor, Prince of Songkla University, Thailand, Honorable Dr. Shivraj, Nile, Scientist, National Agri-Food and Biomanufacturing Institute, Mohali, Dr. Umesh Patil, Academic Researcher, Prince of Songkla University, Thailand, Dr. Mahesh Patil, Scientist, National Chemical Laboratory, Pune, OSD of COCSIT, my friend, Dr. E.U. Masumdar sir, organizer and head of the Department of Biology, Dr. N.B. sir, and all the participants, dear friends and students. I take this opportunity to welcome you all for this seminar. One-day seminar, as you know, the subject is National Seminar on Biomanufacturing of Value-Added Product. Here, I feel that there are two points, manufacturing one and value-added product. Manufacturing of the production of value-added product. So that they are useful for human beings. Alright, so first, manufacturing refers to the production of useful and high value products such as medicines, insulin, antibiotic, etc. And value-added products are beneficial to the student. So the government of India is taking initiative to promote biomanufactured product. Considering the importance of this thing, we have planned to organize this national seminar. On this occasion, we have eminent resource persons to throw a highlight on this theme. I wish this seminar a great grand success. With this, I put my words to an end. Thanking you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. Now I would like to request our esteemed chief guest, Dr. Shivraj, sir, please address the panel.
Very good morning, very warm good morning to all of you. I am Dr. Shivraj. I started my career from COCSIT. As you know that time, I was getting only 2,500, but now I am earning more than 2.5 lakhs. So I started from COCSIT. Now I worked in Korea, China, many countries, and now I joined as a scientist. So why I am giving this example? COCSIT or Latur, this is not mere institutes. These are very promising, and I respect Patil sir. He is always there to support any kind of instrument, equipment, facility, and he is always there to welcome scientists from abroad. When I discussed, actually Professor Benjakul came in one project. We have one collaborative project on Asian India collaborative project on marine algae to produce some value-added products. What is my value-added? So as students, your responsibility is to have value addition to college and your parents. That is also value-added products. So marine resources are not explored well in India because we have, you can see, we have a very big coastal area, and still we are not consuming we are not consuming more than 10%. So that's why the Indian government started new initiatives to focus on marine resources. Then I discussed with Mahesh sir when I was in COCSIT. We have very small team, Mahesh sir, Jadhav sir. So we started our career from COCSIT in old building, very small in Patil complex. And now you can see we are budding scientists in various areas. So I'm very thankful to Patil sir because he's always pushing to do some research, to do some work for society, and we did that. And you can see Mahesh Patil, Umesh Patil. These are my students. I work with them as a friend. And they are also familiar with COCSIT. and that vision through our Patil sir. And I met Professor Benjakul through one of my common friend, and he is always there. Can you guess the like this is not questions or like imagination. Can you guess the age of Professor Benjakul? He is near to 60. And why he is like that? He is always having that kind of research and all the product he developed. So whenever we are traveling together, I feel bad. And why that is important? Because we have to take functional foods. What is my functional food? That is nothing but it is also value-added product derived from different sources. So that is the magic of his young days. So value-added products from fishes. Since from last 25 to 30 years, he working on fish product, collagen, and many other products. So recently, Indian government started Bio 3 policy. I think you are familiar with Bio E3, economy, environment, and employment. That is very important for new generation. And again, the Indian government and DST started and DBT started Design India. I think you are familiar with Design India. Design is just build your career through innovations, and the government will give funding up to 25 lakh. And any person can participate in that Design India. So we have Indian government started many schemes to enhance the research in India, to improve the quality of agri products, to improve the quality of health. And that's why they started different programs like futuristic marine resources, precision therapeutics, CO2 capture. You cannot imagine that one scientist started to develop functional food from air. Simply air. From air we can develop food, and that is possible through carbon capture. You can imagine in future we don't need land, we just need the environment, because the environment is get polluted by human being, and we have to use that carbon source to develop some food. So food from air, this is a new concept through this biomanufacturing. So biomanufacturing means this is nothing but just utilize biological resources to produce some value-added products. So these are some initiatives by Indian government, and Professor Benjakul had a lot to COCSIT. One student from our college, she visited Thailand, and she got PhD in there. Now she is working in USA. So among you guys also, you can, if you have practical knowledge, for any scientist you should have practical knowledge. That is very important. Theoretical we can get through our classes, through training and all things, but practical knowledge is very important. And for that you have to go for some projects. Like in our campus in NABI, we call training program for every 6 months, and I never see any student from Maharashtra for training, and that is very free of cost. So that is this is my kind request to all the students, master or graduate student. You can visit the websites of different national institutes. In India we have a lot of national institutes. Nowadays there is conflict between national institutes and universities. University mainly focusing on teaching, but national research institute, they are focusing on research. So what can just do one thing, you can learn all theoretical knowledge in university, and you can join with our institute to learn the future practical skill. So that is very important. So I am very grateful to Mahesh sir. He is always taking initiative, and he is leading our biotech department very nicely. And we visited the facilities and all things. Even we are thinking to plan one workshop maybe next month or after 2 months through one company. They are ready to provide 1 lakh or 2 lakh funding to your college, and they will support for all chemicals and small instruments. So we can arrange that workshop for the students from Maharashtra, Marathwada, and they are ready to pay whatever the funding we need. So that is very big achievement for our college. So I am here, even Mahesh Patil is here, Umesh is there, And Professor Benjakul also always there to help you guys, because he is very familiar with the all Indian culture. He always here and he knows various part of India. So grab that opportunity through this conference. Conference is not for gathering and just enjoying the food. In conference you have to make connection and you have to impress your ideas with scientists. If you have because every mind have different IQ and different idea. So explore your mind to design ideas, and you can discuss with scientists. Those are sitting on the desk and even off the desk. Because in future AI is very important. You can learn AI from we have eminent faculties from computer science. AI, machine learning is very important to design drug, food, even you can predict future diseases. So next era is AI and marine resources, nutraceutical and functional food. Because in few days the particular synthetic drugs will be replaced by natural products due to the side effects. Because you can see the pesticide already entered our food web and we have to minimize that one. And we have to take the good quality food. For that we have to go for the biomanufacturing. And that's why we discussed and we decided to work on biomanufacturing from value-added products. And that is the theme. So I will also present on natural pigments, natural product as a nutraceutical and functional food. Professor Benjakul will explore marine waste, fish waste and other sources to develop bioproducts. Mahesh working on enzyme, he will explore different enzyme catalysis to develop some value-added products. Umesh also working on marine resources, collagen and all things, so he will discuss about that one. Today we'll engage all the sessions very properly. So just attend very tentatively and discuss all things with all the scientists. We are here for you guys. Maybe any student. And as Mahesh told, nowadays you can see women scientists are getting good scope from India. They have different fellowships, women scientist fellowship. For male also there are different fellowships, but women scientists are now having very great positions in biological science, at least in biological science. So explore this seminar and grab the opportunity to connect with all the scientists. And finally, I am very thankful to respected Patil sir, Jadhav sir, Masumdar sir. These are all my teachers. They taught me during my graduation. I completed my graduation from Shahu College. So I respect them because due to them today I am standing here and I am delivering lecture. So I am very thankful to all my teachers and all my colleagues, Mahesh, Umesh, and especially Benjakul sir. He travelled from Chandigarh to Hyderabad. One flight, then second flight, then car. Okay, and it took one day, and he came due to the the affection or the love with COCSIT. So just give a big round of applause to him. And I'm very thankful to the arrangement, the hospitality provided. And just I'm saying last word, just listen carefully what we are delivered to you. That is very important, and get something from this conference. Okay, because this opportunity is very important for new new and young scientists. In future might be someone from the audience will stand here and we can listen to them. Okay, so welcome to this conference and thank you to organizing committee, Mahesh and his team. I am also part of that team, but I am thankful to all the team. So thank you and welcome to this biomanufacturing of value product conference. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable guidance regarding biomanufacturing, importance of seminars, research paper. Thank you very much. Now I will invite our Honorable Chairperson, Honorable Dr. M.R. Patil, sir. Please give some guidance on today's program.
Chief guest of this seminar, Professor Benjakul sir, Shivraj sir, Dr. Umesh Patil sir, Dr. Mahesh Patil sir, Vice Chairman of Valedictory Society, Principal of this college, Dr. Jadhav sir, Officer on Special Duty, Principal Dr. Masumdar sir, former Vice Principal Dr. Shivraj sir, Training and Placement Officer, my colleagues, the convener of this seminar, assistant convener, teaching members, members of teaching staff of biotechnology department and other departments, and dear participants. I look upon this seminar as a part of a learning course, entrepreneurship development. We start little projects in biotechnology department, develop them and reach startup positions. If this is further cultivated, nourished, nurtured, we can be, our participants can be biomanufacturers. We are imparting education in two disciplines parallelly, biotechnology and computer science. It is easy for computer science students to be job ready in IT. In biotechnology, jobs are seldom available, so we have to prepare for some other we have to take some other approach. So better to be a manufacturer, better to be a job giver rather than a job seeker. We expect the resource persons of the seminar to accordingly guide our students, participants. Our chief guest, Dr. Chancellor, the Vice Chancellor of this Marathon University, and it expressed his inability to attend this program today. On his behalf, I declare that this seminar stands inaugurated. Instead of wasting much more time, we already have started it. I would like to conclude here. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for your valuable words. I will conclude this session with a vote of thanks. On behalf of COCSIT Latur and the Department of Biotechnology, I sincerely thank our chairperson, Honorable Dr. Mr. Patil sir, and Vice Chairman, Honorable Mr. L.M. Patil sir, for their constant support. We are deeply grateful to our chief guest, Honorable Dr. Shivraj sir, for his insightful address. Our heartfelt thanks to all our resource persons, Dr. Benjakul sir, Dr. Shivraj sir, Dr. Umesh Patil sir, and Dr. Mahesh Patil sir, for they are going to share their valuable expertise. Special thanks to Honorable Dr. Masumdar sir and our principal, Dr. Jadhav sir, for their guidance, and to Dr. N.V. sir for successful coordinating this seminar. I also appreciate the efforts of all faculty members, staff, volunteers, and above all the enthusiastic participation of students, research scholars, and attendees. I announce this inaugural function is over. Thank you, one and all.